I mean, so like, well, one, the world is different, right? You've got tariffs, you have geopolitical shifts that have really disrupted, I think, the way that we imagine that manufacturing should happen in tiered supply chains. It is a moment where domestic manufacturing, I think, is facing a new set of challenges, and organizations are incentivized to bring manufacturing back to the United States to have more control of that. And so, like in the last year, if we look at where we were doing sort of focused more on generalized procurement. We were a SaaS model, and we've realized it's almost a moral imperative right now for us as an organization to shift into something that's just like way easier to get on board with, way faster to get results, because it is a moment where it is important for, I think, companies who can support manufacturing to do so in a way that is very, very accessible. And so a couple things that are really tangible in that is the platform structure is now free for our customers to get on. We have expanded our footprint. So we had a warehouse out on the East Coast here in New York. We now have another warehouse out in Long Beach, California, because we do a ton of work with companies in Seattle, and obviously like El Segundo in Los Angeles is a huge hub for that. And in addition to just having more capability to support the actual kitting and movement of materials. So we're really trying to make what we provide as accessible as humanly possible, and just making sure that we have the infrastructure to support customers as we grow and support more and more.